Hello, this is my personal blog. This is party list. I support this one, party list. Yeah, it's true. And then I buying the cartoon. If you need if you need to give me a cartoon from the abroad, send me. My address is 697 Purok 4, Barangay Bakal 3rd, Talavera, Nueva Ecija. Please give me for making this house build for a cement, not a kubo like this. You can see my house is tagpi-tagpi and no room, no rest. Like that. Yes. This is my room. This is my house. I'm buying carton here in the Philippines. But from abroad, if you send me now. Thank you very much.